Well, hello there, it's Rooney, and welcome back to another video on Rooney's List. For this video, I'm going to be showing everyone how to wear satin scarves as a top. I'm going to be showing you 3 ways. Keep it short, keep it simple, and they're going to be actual tops and not crops, if you know what I'm saying. But let's get this video started. Also, I designed all these scarves and I'm so proud of them. If you want to go check them out, they'll be linked in the description. So let's go. Okay, that was the end of this video. I hope you found ways to wear satin scarves. The bigger it is, the easier it is to wear as a top. But that was the end, and I hope you enjoyed. Catch y'all later. Bye.